Good morning, everybody. Gonna be washing out some shirts and some onesies. Everybody coming along for the ride. Gonna see what we got. Washing out another onesie.
This one was for our daughter.
Oh yeah, this is a personal. I know we have some Cayman Isle and what's that, Granny Apple, I believe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
That does look pretty good already.
Wow.
Man.
Look at that.
That looks pretty good already, man.
We've been sleeping on that granny
I
apple.
know. That's a good pastel. We mixed up a big bottle of it too, didn't we?
I don't know. I know we got plenty of it.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
That's gonna look real good.
I'm excited about this one.
Yeah, me too.
Wow. Look at that.
Awesome. To the inside. Alrighty. This was the lime pop Cayman, we determined.
Yeah.
Sorry for the earlier mistake. This is a personal, will not be for sale. But if you like it, we can make you one just like it. What do we got? Ooh. Oh, that's cool. That's a little baby tie-dye onesie. Look at that, a little baby spiral. That's awesome. I don't think we've ever done spiral on a onesie, have we?
Oh, yeah.
Have we?
Oh, yeah.
I don't think we have.
Not one for sale in the shop.
Not even the one that we filmed.
No, one's for Aria.
I know, we've never even filmed one.
Yeah, Granny and Glacier were the last two in the basket.
Granny and Glacier.
Yeah, so I know that's the last two.
And here's the final result. Check that out. That came out pretty good. It's really cool. This one in particular won't be for sale. We made it for our daughter, but we can make one just like it. We have more of these onesies this size and all. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Alrighty, everybody. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.